Well, who knew a 10 by 10 storage unit could have so much stuff in it?
Me?
So what do you find in here? I don't know. The way you're lifting that, I don't think that...
They're not heavy. The one I've got ain't that heavy.
Striker spy drone. Yeah.
No, but it's got the blades. We can sell
All right.
the blades and the screwdrivers.
All right, leave it there because you just never know. There's more boxes. Look at... Now, you saw the roaster, but you have Elmo, containers, dresser, and that's some stuff you've already seen. And this is stuff for the flea market. So who knows? You never know what it might be hiding. What did you find? The remote controls.
Mm-hmm.
Do you build them?
I guess.
Look at these. You can see them from out here. Turn it so they can see the
Wait a
front.
minute. You turn that one upside down. It's at the face.
Look at them.
Somehow, oh, here.
Oh, he's got it taped. Oh my gosh. That is like from Cars, right?
Mm-hmm.
Look at this. What is all this?
I've never seen this.
Is that a track?
Some kind of track.
Zip Zaps Performance Booster Upgrade Kit, Munster Truck.
There's your...
Oh, we need to take this and check this out.
Mm-hmm.
Look at this.
I guess that's how you
Look at that.
charge it up.
Spider-Man. What do you have there?
Bigfoot. The original monster truck.
And I don't know what that is that's hooked to it. Guys, what do you know about Zip Zaps monster trucks? Look at this.
I've never seen it. I've never heard of it.
I've never either.
That's Hot Wheels.
All right, let's check this out. Hey, those Zip Zap things. I was looking here, and I don't know if you can see it, but somewhere on here I saw, and that's the R right there for Radio Shack. So, interesting. What do you have in your green container?
It's Remington STS. Got sockets. Half of them are missing.
Okay, those are Pittsburgh. Is that like a
Harbor Freight.
Harbor
Harbor Freight.
break-free, whatever that is?
Lubricant and cleaner. Shooter's pads. Got a couple shotgun shells. More 22s.
Wow. You might just want to take this container to the house.
Yeah.
I won't get him to do anything because he's going to play with all this shotgun stuff. Here, let's put from... Oh, well. All right, well, let's find some more stuff. You found a Steelers blanket?
Yep.
Okay. Well, we definitely know they were a Steelers fan, and it looks like someone has made them a blanket with this yellow fabric that I used to make hats with, but it has a white backing on it. Where
It's very thick.
Yeah.
And we got all these.
Looky here.
Got Elmo.
But look at this. It does something. Now this, we need to, look at this.
Look at this.
Yes,
We
but this,
got the polar bear from Coca-Cola with tags.
but look here, this does something. This Care Bear does something. It's not a Scentsy thing, is it? We need to figure this out.
Mm.
All right, set it up there.
And you got this bear with
Angel,
Christmas
something,
angel.
it's gotten yucky.
Doesn't know that.
Ew. Ew.
You got Peter Rabbit.
I think there's been a rodent in here. That's the first we found anything like that. Why don't we go through this, and if we find something wonderful, we'll show them. If not, this might all have to go to the trash. We're getting to the end here. Whoa, I had a really bad
She's getting bad tonight. She's tired.
clothes, but are they name brand? App 9. It's Chrysler Jeep.
Is it a double X? I'll wear it.
Nautica. You know what? We have some subscribers that live in our area that they do a lot with clothes. And I really want to reach out to them because we have some others and I just can't keep up with all the clothes. So, that's what we need to do. Oh, you need to put that container on top of this container. Ooh. Oh, I see something else back there.
More clothes.
All right, that's a jacket or something. But you know what? Ashworth, I don't know. Oh, that's IU.
University.
It's Indiana.
Indiana University.
IU. I have family in Indiana. I know what IU is. Anyways, at least these were kept in containers. But you see the dust particles flying?
It's about beer 30.
What?
Beer 30. Oh.
What are you talking about?
I don't even drink.
No, you don't. But that light, look. At least the storage unit has a light in it. What is that? I know I saw that back there.
It is.
Oh my, isn't that something?
Oh, the can is actually
The real. Oh
This
my
gotta be
gosh.
worth something. And guess what? It's beer 30.
Always great. Always great between bites. Always Coca-Cola. And yours says Fishing Bud by Johnson. Ready Fish Budweiser. Those are so sweet. Oh my gosh.
I have to check it out.
Oh my gosh.
And they're not on eBay.
I've never seen anything like it.
Coca-Cola, anywhere, they're asking anywhere from $21 to $39 plus shipping. 8 on there. 3 sold. They had it marked for $50. They took best offer accepted. Somebody put it on for bid, $10, and somebody took $24 and $24 shipping.
I don't understand why people do bids on items that they could get a lot more money out of. So, all right, guys, they'll probably go on eBay. Wow, that's a big box. Oh, I see a hanger.
Oh my God, what do they put a hanger in there?
Okay, this is
looks like
kitchen.
stuff.
This is a blender of some sort.
Rachel?
Help me see the inside. Wow, those look nice. Oh, there's lids there too. Oh, that's Rachel Ray. Oh, there's a bunch of Rachel Ray.
Let's put it in here. We know the box.
Well, I want to see what that is. Is that a pizza pan or is it a griddle or what is it?
Look like a pizza
Let me
pan.
see it.
It's a Musa.
Okay, but look at this, guys.
That's a whole set of Rachel Ray.
Wow. Now there's some stuff in here like those little green containers. Those are the disposable ones. They're ones that I would have if the kids were coming and they want to send leftovers. This too.
That's Rachel Ray.
Rachel Ray. All right. It's getting dark out here, guys. Look at the mess we have. This is what it takes to sort through all this. There's 3 bags of blankets to be donated. There's some coats to be looked at. All of this is trash. And we still have to get this out of here. Oh my God, there's still a blue container under there. Look at the table. That's a really nice table. Look at that blender. Health Master. Oh my gosh. And I know the lid's in there. I saw it. So, a lot of work. Hopefully you can see this video okay, because it is getting dark in the unit here. But it
Frugal.
says fragile, very fragile.
Fragile.
What is it? Oh, it said something. That's not fragile.
Living room decor.
That is not fragile.
Kimberly Clark.
What is it?
Medical supply.
Okay. Unless there's something underneath it, I don't see this as being fragile. This is all their linens. You know what? Let's just leave the linens in here and we'll save it for the flea market, because you know those power strips will sell.
Towels and
Blankets.
blankets.
All right, let's just leave it in here. And we're going to take it to the flea market like that. We'll probably take these and put them with your stuff. There's stuff down here on the floor. There's a bag. I don't know what's in it. Here is adhesive sealant, black silicone. And there's a Rubbermaid container. I don't know if it's pretty new. Oh, and look, there's a final season Three Rivers Stadium, a stadium seat, 1970 to 2000, December 16th of 2000. So was there a new stadium built in Pittsburgh?
Yeah.
And I don't know what's in here. It was on the ground. Is it trash?
Rope.
Rope. Okay. All right. You got some containers there to show them. Let's get set up to show them. All right. What do you have here? It's Sony.
Yeah, I found the other
Yeah,
speakers.
because right there are the two speakers. And here is, well, I see it's a 3 CD changer.
Yeah.
What?
There's a CD laying up there. It's got the top's got
Okay.
to be taken off. Get the CD out of the way.
Okay, so what all is it? Is this cassette?
Cassette, dual cassette, AM, FM, and 3 CDs.
All right. I feel like we're filming in the dark. What in the world did you find here? I hope you guys stuck around to watch all these videos.
Looky there.
Oh my gosh, 1997.
2003.
98.
There's,
99, first edition.
I bet you there's
Look at this.
75 to 100 in there.
Look at this.
All brand new on the card.
Look at that. Oh my God, I can't wait to look this stuff up.
I guess I'm going to be busy.
You're going to be helping. We still have 2 days to work.
Ha!
Oh my gosh, tricks are for kids. You silly rabbit.
This is Johnny Lightning. This is dragster stuff here.
Oh my gosh, what year is this? What do you got there?
I got the Hershey's.
All right, see what year it is. Hey, look, there's an O-Light. Oh my gosh. I can't find a year. Because oh! Kiss!
Oh, jeez.
Oh, you about said it. You about said it. There's the U.S. Army. Jurassic Park.
I don't see a year.
Look at these Hot Wheels.
Hot Wheels, Johnny
Flying
Lightning.
Colors. Rigor, am I saying that right? Rigor Motor?
Yeah.
I don't know if I'm saying that right. Oh my gosh. This is more Johnny Lightning. Racing Champions. Under here, we've had those. Look at the McDonald's.
Mm-hmm.
Were you trying to get something and I got in your way?
No, I'm pulling them out. Now we got.
Oh no, I want to see them. I'm excited over Hot Wheels. Can you imagine?
The Kiss one. The Johnny Lightning Kiss one.
Okay, you gonna check that one out? New Year's 98. Baby New Year, Johnny Lightning, Dragsters. That is really neat. There's another Summerfest. One of 15,000. Does that mean this is the first one? Does this mean number one?
One of only 15,000 made.
Oh, okay. I was hoping that meant it was the first one.
If it was the first one,
I was hoping it was the first edition.
24.99, 13.45, 22.49.
You're talking
plus
for the
shipping.
kiss?
Yeah, for that one right there.
Oh my gosh. We're gonna have a busy rest of the weekend.
We going golfing?
Are you going golfing?
That's yours. This is mine.
Okay, that says Wilson. Not sure what this is.
No, don't get it.
I don't know if any of the clubs say. You know what? We'll check them out later. But 2 sets of golf clubs. We're working against time because it's getting dark. What'd you find?
Not shiny enough. It's shiny enough to be gold, but I don't see a.
Well, it's kind of dark in here too. Guys, you do see the clock in the corner. We found the pendulum earlier. Wow. Here, let me do this. What do you find in clothes?
Clothes, jackets. Yeah, that's a Columbia. You let them.
Okay. There's a bunch of linens. Check the next drawer, and then let's go on so you can get this loaded. Socks, okay. Oh, there's more of those things, whatever they are. We're going to have to figure that out.
What's that, these?
No, the paisley things.
Oh.
Okay. And there's blow darts. Isn't there blow darts?
I don't know if they're blow darts or.
Oh, no, they're not.
They're the cat. No, I don't know what they are. Look like game pieces.
So what was this? It's heavy. It's new.
Brand new. I don't know the name of it.
It says it right there. Sterling. Okay, I thought that was a price tag. It's not.
There's no price tag on it, but that one's new. The ladies' one's missing.
Oh. Okay, so there should have been 2.
I would
right.
say because it's
We'll
got a
put
hole
that with
there.
our stuff that we're putting in an
Check that.
area to go through. Okay, and you found some makeup that was
Makeup
new.
was new.
So I don't really know what it is. Something smoky diamond. All right, now, what is this here?
Stereo stand. That's where the stereo was sitting.
Okay, so
Stereo TV stand.
do the doors go on it?
Yeah.
All right, we'll have to get pictures of this stuff later to sell it. So at this point, the table, the rim, the slats are, Jim, here's slats for a bed. You said you couldn't find them.
No,
Oh,
I can't find the.
the rails.
I bet you that.
They're probably in that other unit that went with this one.
Yeah, there was a sister
Okay.
unit. And I wish these places would, if they've got a sister unit or somebody's renting 2 units. Ah!
Who turned off the lights?
Good thing the light's still going. But I wish they would put on there. There is some places that do put on, this one goes with this. So you got to look at both of them
Sorry,
and buy
guys.
both of them to get everything. That guy's I probably got parts to his, something on his. So
Now here's what you do when you're running out of battery. You have a battery pack.
that you found in a storage unit.
No, this one I bought.
Okay,
But
well, we've got
we have
5 or
tons
6
of
of
them.
them.
Oh,
but
tons at
5
the
or
house.
600 of
What a shame.
somebody has dropped it. If somebody wants to fix it, it'd be a nice clock.
The bottom glass is missing. But you can see here where it has been dropped. That would have been a beautiful piece. Like we said, we have the long pendulum. We put it in the pickup
There's
truck.
2 of them in that one basket.
Oh. So you found more? It would have been like a $300 item, $400. Well,
And if somebody wants it for $50,
you can put it on Marketplace
I'll put
and
it on Needs Fixed.
right.
Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the thumbs up. Hit the notification bell so you get the rest of our videos. Don't forget, 10,000 This is Pink. And we'll see you in whatever we're on next.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Love you.